Namaste, Khusrao Bhetia. I, JBN Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today we will discuss how cloud computing work. So, first of all, we have to understand what is cloud computing. Then we will come to the how it does work. The term cloud when talking about technology or computing is not new. In simple terms, cloud is a metaphor for the internet. In fact, cloud symbols are repeatedly used to depict the internet on diagram. If you think of internet as a virtual space that connects users from all over the globe, it is like a cloud. It shares information by the way of networks. So, information and data is stored on physical or virtual servers which are maintained and controlled by a cloud computing provider such as Amazon and their AWS product. As a personal or business cloud computing user, you access your stored information in the cloud via an internet connection. So many different types of cloud computing is available in the market. So first is your software as a service, which is provided by the Microsoft 365, platform as a service salesforce.com, and infrastructure as a service like Rackspace. So we will understand what are popular example of cloud computing services at work today. There has been significant evolution in the way in which we save, store, and access data, and particularly the scale with NoSQL database shows no sign of stopping expansion. You no longer need to save documents on one particular device. You can access personal file and data from anywhere with a solid internet service connection at any time. That's all because of cloud technology. The cloud storage market spoils you for choice too. A variety of cloud storage providers are available, many of which offer free storage space, out with file saving on floppy disks, CDs, and even USB flash drivers. In with cloud storage providers such as Dropbox, Box.com, and Backblaze. CloudWatch allows you to compare a range of different cloud storage providers in one place. So, how does cloud storage works? Via an internet service connection, cloud storage works by enabling users access and to download data on any chosen devices such as laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Cloud storage users can also edit documents simultaneously with the other users as well, making it easier to work away from the office. Depending on a specific need, prices it vary for cloud storage. So it's a cloud computing makes work easier. To understand the working of a cloud system, it is easier to divide it into two sections, the front end and the back end. They are connected to each other through a network, usually the network internet. The front end is the side of the computer user or client. The back end is your cloud section of the system. Right. So here is the your application of monitoring, content, collaboration, communication, finance, and platform is like your object storage, identity, queue, database, and infrastructure is your computer, back block storage, and network. Right. The front end consists of the client's computer or computer network. Also, the application is essential to access the cloud computing system. It is not necessary that all cloud computing systems have the same user interface. On the back end of the cloud technology system, there are various computer servers and data storage systems that make up the cloud. A cloud computing system could potentially include any computer program from the data processing to video games. Generally, each application will have its own dedicated server. But there are risks is also in cloud computing technology. Large companies often require hundreds of digital storage devices. Cloud computing system needs at least twice the number of storage devices to keep client information stored. That's because these devices occasionally break down. A cloud system makes copies of client's information to store it on other devices. This method of making copies of data as a backup is called redundancy. Right? Some other issues which is raised in cloud computing: how to manage the storage, and how it provides the stores so much data. If the cloud providers or cloud technology company has multiple clients, there's likely to be a high demand for the storage space also, right? So therefore this so they provide the physical server into thinking that it's actually multiple servers, each running its own independent operating system. This technique, known as a server virtualization, which reduce the need for physical machine. This method maximize the output of individual servers. So there we have it, a very short look at what cloud computing involves and how it works. Also some use cases and risk for this rapidly growing technology, referred to broadly as the cloud. So thank you class, this is all about this session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital session version 2.0 provided by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you class.